Qualification does not mean that one has won. Hello, welcome to Thought Mining segment with Onyi Nnebedum. All right, I was saying something. I said that qualification does not mean that one has won. Take for instance, the last World Cup that was played, the countries that participated in the World Cup qualified to come for the World Cup. But you see, that qualification never meant they won. It only meant they were in for the real battle. So when somebody, for instance, goes to the university or high institution, at the point he's graduating, he is seen as having qualified. What is that qualification about? That qualification is qualifying the person for the competition in the labor market, in the job market. So qualification does not mean you've won. It means you are in for the real battle. That's why when a country qualifies for World Cup, they have to intensify their training. You see them playing all the friendlies so as to prepare better for the battle, because the battle is now severe. So this mindset that, oh, the moment I qualify, I've won, is the reason that many fail. Because qualification doesn't mean you've won. It means you are in for the real battle. So what it means, what you should do, and now I see some students, they have finished the exam, they break their pen, they say nothing else, it's now time to sleep. No. If qualification means you've won, then that guy that had first class should return to the parents' home and begin to enjoy his life. But no, he goes out there to begin to look for a job. Because qualification doesn't mean you've won. It means you ought to intensify your preparation. So what do? It's not to say, oh, nothing about school again for me. No, it's that time you need to prepare better. Yes, it's just like you scored a goal in a football game, but then you celebrate it in a moment and return again to continue playing. So don't celebrate forever. Return and prepare for the next step. Qualification doesn't mean you've won. I'm Onyi Nnebedum. This is Thoughts.